How to fix NFL 27 app not working. And to fix this issue, long press on the Madden NFL 27 app icon and select on app info with the I symbol. And once your app info is loaded, go to the storage section and there you'll find case. Now clear your case to remove any corrupted files, then head back one step. Just beside uninstall, you'll find force stop, tap on force stop icon and tap on it. Force stop and tap on OK. Now simply close the app from the menu. Then relaunch the app to let it re-download temporary system files. And if the app is freezing, stuck on the loading screen or crashing immediately on launch, the ES servers might be offline for maintenance. You can also check that. Go to any browser and search for ES servers down, tap on the down detector, and you can see that there is no problem with the server side right now. If there is, then you can know that you just have to wait because it is the problem that they are fixing because of the maintenance. And finally, if that doesn't help, long press the application and try to uninstall the application. After you uninstall the application, try a clean reinstall and that should fix the problem. That's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.